a Stitch Fix day. No, that's not what I want to say. What do I want to say? How should I start this video? You know what? Let's just jump into it. I am not going to think about it. Let's just see what's in here. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Stitch Fix unboxing and a try on. That was a terrible intro, wasn't it? I'm just kind of, it's one of those days where I don't know, you know? You just don't know. It's like, there's a lot you want to do, but you don't want to do anything. Do you ever have those days? That's kind of the day that I'm having. But I am truly excited to try my Stitch Fix. It fell apart. Let's see, what can I tell you? You get 5 items. If you keep all 5, you get an additional 25% off. You also get your styling fee applied to it. The styling fee is $20, but I have the Style Pass, which is offered. I don't know how they determine that, but I got an offer for I think it's $49 a year. So it's already paid, and that does apply to anything that I purchase. And let's see if I have Emma still, or if she's given up on me. Instead of the other way around. I have Emma. Welcome to your latest looks, Barbara. I hope you're having a lovely week, and unboxing this fix makes it even better. Thanks for letting me know you wanted to try a straight cut instead of a skinny cut for white jeans. Thank you, Emma. Oh, there is white in here. Let's see. Try giving them a cuff or two this summer to show off your favorite sandals or wedges. They'll look great. They'll look beautiful with this. Okay, then it's going to tell me what else is in here. It says, cheers, Emma. So that is really nice. And they give you different ways to style. And you know what? Honestly, guys, I have to tell you, I don't look at those. I don't. I just kind of look what's in my closet and I just kind of put it together. But for the sake of the video, I might just put on some jewelry. I'm real big on putting on shoes because I think shoes can make a big difference in an outfit. I need a haircut. Shoes can dress it up, dress it down, and it just changes the look, and by adding some jewelry. I'm going to give you an invoice. Let's see how much my fix is. Oh, this is fix number 41. Wow. Let's see, the total for the box for all 5 pieces is $272. If I keep all 5, I get a $68 discount, which would bring my total down to $204. So I hope I love all these items. And then they have something new here. Ooh, little card. Shop by category. So with Stitch Fix, you can go on their website and you can shop for clothes and have them sent to you. I don't like to do that typically because you don't get a discount. If you buy, no matter how many you get, you don't get a discount. So I'll just wait. If I see something, I'll request it. It's not like there's anything that I have to have. So let's see what Emma sent me. All right, well, let's take a quick look and then I will do a try on. This is really soft. I know the crisscross in the top's been around for a while, but we'll see. This is cute. I mean, I'm not like jumping for joy over this, but it's cute. Yeah, I'm not overly excited. I mean, it's nice, but I'm not overly excited. Oh. Oh, darn. This is one of those with the solid back. No. Yeah, not excited about that either. I don't know. These are soft. Oh, okay, now we're talking. It's a skirt. It looks like a denim skirt, but it's really soft and it's stretchy. So Hope those work out. I'm excited about those. And then here's the jeans. Straight leg. Oh, these feel nice. These feel really nice. Democracy. I can't say that word. I know, oh, you guys keep sending me like how to say it. And then I try to say it and I ask my husband, I'm like, did I say that right? He goes, no. And he'll say it and I'll say it. I'm like, you know, there's just some words that you just can't seem to get. Okay, let's go to the try on. I cannot hardly walk in this skirt, but let me back up and show you the outfit. Oh goodness, the skirt keeps riding up every step I take. By the time I start back there and work my way up, it'll probably be all the way up to here. Okay, this could be a really cute outfit. I love to wear skirts in the summer, but let's start with this top. This is by Emory Park. It's $34. It's a size small, and I actually really like it. I like that the length of it goes airplanes. How it goes up on the side. Like that the stripes all match up. I do like the crisscross. This crisscross has been around a long time. It's, you know, you would think it would fade out. But I do like this top. It's really soft. It's very stretchy. The material is rayon and spandex, and it says hand wash. I'm like, what? It's a nice casual top, and I really like it, but I'm not hand washing it, and it just fits. It's a size small. So more than likely, I'm probably gonna return it because I mean, what is it with all this hand wash stuff? I'm like, you know, and I know I could throw it in the washer, but it's one more thing I have to worry about, like the care of it. $34. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it. I might change my mind. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, let's talk about, and this is more like a cream with black, the black stripes. Okay, this skirt I had high hopes for. It is by Liverpool. It is the CeCe skirt, $58, which I don't think is a bad price. Size 6. Oh my goodness, no. It is like hugging everything. It's a pull-on. Looks like it's got a snap. It doesn't work. There's no zip or anything, so I like that. It has, oh, it does. It has pockets in the front, has pockets in the back. But I mean, it is like stretch. I mean, you get some good movement out of this, but we'll see, it keeps riding up. I'd probably have to go up 2 sizes, but I don't know. I'm not sure about the material. It's so stretchy. I think even if I went up, it would still hug not in the right places. So more than likely, I'm just gonna return this. More than likely, I'm going to return this top because it is that all that stretchy and hand wash. I'm like, no, thank you. But I don't know, I could change my mind. All right, I'm gonna try to get those white jeans on. I hope they fit. Okay, here's the next look. I'm gonna back up and show you the entire outfit. Let me show you. I rolled up one leg. This leg is rolled under, so you could see this is the length that I would like. This is how long it is. Kind of have to wear heels with it. They feel really nice, but let's talk about this top first. This is Magnolia Grace. It's $50. I am wearing a size small. It's really pretty. I mean, it's got some really pretty navy, red, white, cream in it. It's got the sparklies up here. It's a nice length. It's that stretchy material. I didn't look on the inside to see what it was. This style top, I mean, I would buy things like this 10 years ago. So it's nothing new. It's not anything that wows me. This red spot right here is just kind of weird to me. I don't know. I'm not excited. It's $50. Will I reach for it? No. There's other things I'd rather wear if I was going out or casual or whatever, but I mean, it's nice. It's just not a wow piece for me to spend $50 on. Okay, let's talk about these jeans. Okay, they have the stretch, I'll back up again, but they have the stretch in them, like the Absolution jeans. I guess maybe that's what these are. They call them the Natalie straight leg. They're $72. At first I was like, really, wow, love them, love them. These are a size 6, but the thing that I don't like about them is there's no lift in the booty area. So you get that, I always call it kind of like a cat's whisker face look, and I don't like that look. So I'm gonna do a quick turnaround. I don't care for that. So I've got to look at the video. I've got to try them on again. Maybe wear a different undergarment to kind of lift that bum up a little bit. But it's got that whisker, like cat face, smiley face underneath it. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Otherwise, these would be a keeper. They're really nice. I think I just get this no matter what. If I were to size up, they would be too big because these just fit, like just fit. And they actually feel really nice. I like the straight leg on these. So I'm gonna leave these on, put the last shirt on, so I'll be right back. Okay, the last item, and I'll have to tell you, this top really surprises me. I like it better than I thought I would once I got it on. This is by Mariene Spruce. It's $58. Here's the, I like that it has a different print down here at the bottom. It does have the slit on the sides, but it's got this darn solid on the back. Okay, so what can I tell you about this? It's got the V-neck. It does have the elastic 3/4 sleeve, which you push them up or, you know, put them back down. It's a no. What can I say? It doesn't feel modern and new. It feels like an older, just like the last top. It just feels like a design that's been around a long time, and there's nothing unique about it. I mean, it's a very pretty top. It's just not a Barbara top. No, this is, even when I worked, this is not something I would wear. It's just not my style at all. I mean, it's pretty. It is very pretty, I have to say. I was quite surprised when I put it on, but it's just not for me. It's just not my style. So that's it. I mean, I think actually my first thought is just return everything. Just, you know, because nothing wowed me. I was really hoping for this skirt, but if it didn't fit real tight, I think sizing up, the waistband's gonna end up being too big for me to be more comfortable in this. You already know this. No, it's just it's nothing special for me personally. I mean, I didn't show you, but it does have 2 buttons on the back. I didn't even have to undo those to put this on. And then, you know, the pretty sparkles in the front. And then this, am I missing something? What am I missing? Oh, hold on. It fell on the ground. This would probably maybe be a keeper, but because it says hand wash and it's rayon and spandex, that, you know, I don't want to worry about it. I want to do wash, wear, not even think about it. I already have so many things I have to air dry that it's just getting, I'm really running out of room to do that. So I don't want to have to think about, oh gosh, what did I put in the washer that can't go in the dryer? What do I need to, you know, what needs to go in delicate? What needs to go in a garment bag? There's too many of that right now. I don't need to add that to my closet unless I absolutely love it. And I like it, but I don't love it. Of course, this is going back. The jeans, I'm on the fence. I have to look at the video, and if this bum part, for some reason that, like, I don't like that look. So that's usually a definite no when I try on a pair of pants. So more than likely they will go back, unfortunately. But that's just the way it is, you know? Just because something's nice doesn't mean you should pay for it and keep it. I mean, if they want to give them to me, I'll keep them and I'll wear them, you know? But I'm not paying $72 for something that will more than likely just sit in my closet. Plus I would have to get them hemmed. So there's another expense on top of that. So I did not have a styling fee with this box. It's already been paid. It's already been reimbursed. So I really think I'm just going to return everything. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know your thoughts on this. And I'll watch the video back. I change my mind all the time. When I watch the video back and I'm like, my friends out there are going to think that I'm crazy. Like, what do you mean you don't like that? That looks really good on you. And I watch it. I'm like, oh, I like that. I think I'm going to keep it. So you never know. So that's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.